wanted to make something simple and easy as a weeknight meal, and I was just kind of feeling like noodles, but I was also feeling like I should stick to my low-carb diet. So I decided to come up with this very heavily Korean-inspired zucchini noodles, and I also wanted to be a little bit meaty, but I'm also trying to eat vegetarian or vegan on the weekdays, so I'm using textured vegetable protein, and to give it that kind of meatier, more umami flavor, I'm going to be soaking it in some liquid aminos, and I'm using Bragg liquid aminos. You could also use soy sauce, but I think that for this, the Bragg liquid aminos really has a better flavor. And about 4 tablespoons of water, and then just take that and put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and let the textured vegetable protein soak up that liquid. We're going to mince up some garlic cloves. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm adding it to my 1.5 teaspoons of ginger paste here. Finely dice a large carrot, slice up 3 green onion stalks, and we're going to set the greens apart from the white part of the green onion stalks. And then we're also going to be using 1 tablespoon of Korean chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of spicy chili crisp. And then, of course, a couple of zucchinis, and I've got this spiralizer here, so I just cranked it through the spiralizer. One thing to note is we probably want to slice these up a little bit, but I just wanted a really long-looking noodles for the video, so that's kind of what I wound up with. But when you do it, definitely recommend slicing these up after you put them through whatever spiralizer you're using. So this recipe goes together really fast. First thing to do, set up your wok, throw in some oil, and then I did this in 2 batches. I'd recommend throwing in a little bit of salt in with the zucchini when you fry them. Just want to fry it really quick, bring them out, do the second batch of zucchini, a little bit of salt, stir it up, set that aside. Then you might need to add a bit more oil. We want to throw in the white part of the green onions and stir that up. Add in the carrots. Fry that up for about a minute or so until the carrots start to get soft. Add in the chili powder. Stir that all up. Add in the chili crisps and the ginger and garlic and stir that up for about 1 minute. If you're inside, you're definitely going to need to turn on the fan because we're going to be getting a little bit of that chili powder smoke going on. Then add in the textured vegetable protein that's been soaking and just go ahead and add it in there with the remaining soy aminos and water. Stir that up really good, real quickly. Then add in the zucchini noodles. Toss that in the sauce. Finish it with some green onions and the sesame oil. Plate and serve. This dish looks beautiful. It tastes delicious. It's got that really rich flavor. And man, those carrots with the textured vegetable protein are kind of delicious on their own. Honestly, right after I made this, I was just scooping that out and just like taking little spoonfuls of that because it was delicious. But there we go. A quick, easy, low-carb vegan meal that's full of flavor and really delicious. Hey, not bad.